मेरे लिए एक ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था कि मैं अपने ये सपना पूरा करूँ। आई बीन वांटिंग टू प्रोड्यूस अ फ़िल्म, डायरेक्ट अ फ़िल्म, बैक स्टोरी टेलर्स, क्रिएट इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट। बहुत सालों से था ये, इट वाज़ इन माय हार्ट एंड माइंड। आई थिंक इट्स ड्यूरिंग कोविड व्हेन आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। हम सबको बहुत टाइम मिला टू थिंक, and that's the time when I thought कि अब ये करना पड़ेगा. I'm always going to be busy in the career that I absolutely love and I'm married to, which is clothes. तो उससे कुछ वक्त निकालना पड़ेगा to back this, and that's when I launched my company Stage 5 Productions 3.5 years ago, and the search started for unusual scripts, um, which would captivate me to begin with, and I would feel the urge to back them. Sari Mohabbat, when Tiska narrated to me, it's written by Tiska and her husband Sanjay, and when they narrated the film to me, when the narration got over, I said, I'm making this film. मुझे फिल्म बहुत क्लियर लगी. It spoke about women, it spoke about strong women, it spoke about the earthiness, it's a complete connection with plantation, with the soil. There were so many factors that touched me, um, intrigued me. I found it interesting, and I also felt that for Stage 5 to start its journey, I didn't want to go the predictable route कि मनीष है तो it's glamour and गाने हैं, and it will all be all about costumes, and I wanted to break that. I wanted to start my journey as a producer separate from all of it, and I thought this would be an interesting film to start with. And abhi, in 3.5 years, we produced 3 films, Sali Mohabbat, which we premiered today here at IFFI, and I'm so happy to be in my country, in India, in beautiful Goa, at this phenomenally done festival, because यहाँ पे जहाँ भी मैं देख रहा हूँ, ये मेरा पहला टाइम है फिल्म फेस्टिवल में, मैं सबका एक हार्ट देख रहा हूँ, खुशी देख रहा हूँ. वी आर ऑल्सो happy to be here. So it's a very important day for me. It's a very good day for me, and for me, I think from here to more movies, we already have another film called Bunty Ki ready, which has Abhay Deol, Shabana ji, Zeenat ji, and it's again a very intimate film made with a lot of love. Then my third film is called Ul Julul Ishq, which has Nasiruddin Shah, Vijay Varma, Fatima. Again, intimate, going to be beautiful. So, yeah, so ये 3 फिल्में हो गई हैं, बल्कि साली मोहब्बत and Bunty Ki are absolutely ready. So it's the journey started. Let's see from where me and Stage 5 go together and what all do we produce. I'm really excited. Well, I think ये 8-9 साल पहले, and I remember Feroz Khan, the director, he came to me with Mughal Azam the play, and I was very excited because Mughal Azam is my favorite film. And तब से मैंने कहा कि can I co-produce it? एंड तो वो नहीं हुआ उस वक्त, बट आई थिंक 8 साल हो गए हैं वेर आई ऑलवेज बीन ड्रीमिंग ऑफ दिस के आई वांट टू डू इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स, वेदर इट्स अ प्ले, वेदर इट्स अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ जॉनर. ये भी नहीं कि एक मनीष इज़ नोन फॉर ग्लैमर, माई वर्क इज़ नोन इन द मूवीज़ फॉर the big films. So it should be that kind of production. I want to produce very different, very interesting concepts, because I want every single film of mine to be a new and an interesting journey for me and Stage 5. I think जो हमारा एक ambition है to make interesting content, and मैं बहुत grateful हूँ ज्योति देशपांडे और जियो स्टूडियोज़ का कि they've come, जहाँ वो इतनी बड़ी फिल्में बना रहे हैं, वो भी बहुत एक अलग सिनेमा में बिलीव करते हैं. बट आई फील टू at one point make large films like Singham and Stree and phenomenally big films, and then to come and support a film like Sali Mohabbat and back it, which is intimate, which is a little more, what should I say, a much smaller film. But of course, and Jyoti also very strongly feels that, and I also strongly feel that कि छोटी बड़ी कोई फिल्म नहीं होती, बड़ा स्क्रिप्ट होता है.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.